Is cheap accounting really worth it? Today I wanted to share a real life example of just how much a cheap and poor quality accountant cost one of our new clients. It was into the tens of thousands. Now I have got permission from the client to share their experience, but their name has been changed and I won't be mentioning the accounting firm which produced the poor work. Trevor runs a business and had a turnover of approximately $160,000. He joined Float after deciding it was just time to change accountants. He told me his previous accounting fees were cheap, there weren't any alarm bells with his existing accountant, but just felt the relationship had become stale and there was minimal communication with his accountant. It was very hard to get hold of when he had to ask important questions. As we do with all our new business clients, I look back at Trevor's financials and tax returns from the previous financial year, just to see if there are any errors or any tax planning opportunities going forward. These are the 3 errors I found by the previous accountant and what extra tax it cost Trevor. 1. Double reporting of a debtor account receivable. A simple oversight on his debtor account meant he was paying twice the amount of tax on his debtor income, which resulted in him overpaying $20,000 tax, and that's no exaggeration. 2. A new vehicle wasn't depreciated at all, and the accountant was using an ineffective depreciation method for existing assets on the books. This one resulted in overpaying $3,000 tax and would have kept continuing in future years. 3. Trevor's accountant was unaware that his postgrad university fees were actually tax deductible. This one resulted in overpaying $8,500 tax. Fortunately, in Trevor's case, I was able to amend these tax returns with the ATO within the allowable timeframes. This resulted in him receiving $31,500 back into his bank accounts. As you can imagine, Trevor was extremely grateful and thankful I'd picked up on all this when he was unaware that this had happened at all. In the end, his bargain accountant cost him a lot more, but fortunately in his case, I was able to fix the errors in time. Although this may seem like a unique situation, it really isn't. I see new clients all the time who are consistently either overpaying tax or haven't been structured properly, which exposes them to huge risks or issues getting finance. And what's worse, they aren't even aware. You really want to make sure your accountant is spending the time to collect the right information from you, report all your information accurately to the ATO, and get you the best possible tax result year in, year out. You do a tax return once a year and you want to make sure you're getting the best result. At the moment, we're offering a free review of the previous year financials for all small businesses to ensure their work is being done correctly and their tax position is being minimized. It's obligation free and your existing accountant won't be aware, so there's no need to feel uncomfortable. If you feel you need any assistance, click on the link below to book in a free consultation and review to see if you're overpaying tax or missing out on other opportunities.